We opted out of the included tour. Steve and I, since we have been to Cairns before, we're just going to walk off the ship tomorrow and walk around. FYI, they're talking about their excursion to the Great Barrier Reef. And I give Viking credit because he's warning people that if it rains, the water is going to be murky and you're not going to see all the colorful things that you see on the internet or on documentaries, National Geographic. So keep that in mind. We are here in rainy season. And be aware that it's a 2-hour ride in each direction, even on a fast catamaran. Good morning and welcome to Cairns, Australia. I hope it doesn't rain. Takes the fun out of it. I do have a few Cairns vids uploaded on my channel from 5 years ago. We are approaching the harbor. Oh, it's raining out. Oh, rats. All the reef cruises and diving boats. Out there is the casino, and if you can take a close look at the top, if you want, you can sign up, they'll strap you on, and you can walk around the top for great views of Cairns. In the center there is the old fig tree with a tree house around it. You can see everything is very, very convenient. All you have to do is start walking down any of these streets and you will have shops and ATMs. There is also some sort of zoo inside there where birds just fly around you. And they have roos, I think koalas. As I earlier mentioned, our last time in Cairns was 5 years ago when we were for the beginning of a Ponant cruise up to New Guinea, through the islands ending in Vanuatu. Lots of war history. Good cruise. At least the heat is not totally oppressive. How about I guess that maybe that's an aquarium? We have a rainbow. Not a extremely great rainbow, but we do have a rainbow. Maybe that's an omen of a good day here. They finally fixed the gangway. They were having trouble with the gangway.
We do thank you for your patience this morning as the portside officials were connecting our gangway. Now the following announcement is to inform all guests that the gangway is almost ready. Not quite yet.
It's not ready
but it's
yet.
Almost ready. And we will need to debark the early tours first.
Yes, they are still working on the gangway. Isn't it always something? You never know what's going to happen. You can see how easy it is to walk along the esplanade. It is drizzling, but I don't care. Even if we do a short walkabout, it will be great. So come with us. I'm almost tempted to go up into the treehouse myself. On one of our trips, we stayed at Dunk Island, but they're not showing it in the description. Aboriginal art. Here's the shop, Aboriginal arts and gifts. It's a hotel right here on the Esplanade. We went to see the Roos and the koalas off the Oceania cruise. I have a hard time resisting hats, but I do have one at home that's similar to that. That's just what I need, a Reef skin. Here's the Reef terminal. Ooh, look at that. That one can hire an underwater camera. And off we go. It's pouring again outside. Townsville is our next port. With some luck, maybe it won't rain tomorrow. I'd like to give you some feedback about the Great Barrier Reef cruise yesterday, according to two passengers who sat next to us at dinner last night. It was an extremely rocky, over 2 hours out, 2 hours back. Nobody could sit out on deck. You had to sit inside the cabin on the cruise in both directions because the waves were sloshing over all the windows and everything else. Thank you. They passed out barf bags in both directions, and the fish sightings were good, not great. Of course, it was the fault of the weather yesterday. It has nothing to do with Viking. Now you know. I don't need more spoons. He doesn't need more spoons. I'm good with the silverware. You don't have to give me fruit silverware. Save the polishing, right?